Hi friends, this is Mr. Mark, and today I'm going to show you how to do a fun art project using some paint and some leftover toilet paper tubes. Let's get started. I'm showing you a close-up of the paper and some paint so you can get a better idea about what I'm doing. Okay, toilet paper tubes left over hanging around the house. One of the things you can do is you can take your toilet paper tube, and what shape do you see here? That is a circle. So you can take some paint, and I have different colors. I have red, green, yellow, and blue. So if I start with one toilet paper roll, I can kind of dip it in the paint. Say, get some paint like that, and I can make circles on my paper. Yeah, look at the circles. And if I want, I can take the other end. And what happens if I do yellow? Let's try it on yellow. This yellow kind of looks like mustard. Let's try on the yellow. What do I have? Yeah. Got some more paint. And we have yellow and red circles. What do you think? Yeah. Cool. Now let's take another toilet paper roll, and this time we're going to dip it in blue. And let's do some blue paint, like that. And we'll put that on our circles. Check it out. A little bit more. Alright. Got some like this. Make sure we cover the entire paper. Oh, that's pretty cool. So we have red, yellow, blue circles. What do you think? Get a look. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Okay, let's put that one aside. And let's get another piece of paper. And this time, I'm going to take toilet paper roll. And moms and dad might have to help you with this one. I took a pair of scissors and I cut some slits all the way to the edge, all the way around the edge. And I flattened them out. Make like this little fan shape. Can you see it? Now, if I take my paint and I try to cover all the little slots that I cut out and flattened, if I try it on the paper, let's see what happens. I go like this. Maybe I want to press it down with my fingers. Oh, alright, that's not too bad. Let's do another one. Spread that around. That's a different kind of circle. Yeah, that's different. Alright. Press that down. Don't be afraid to get messy with this because it's supposed to be fun. I'm using kind of paint they call acrylics, but you might want to use something like watercolor because it's a little bit easier to clean up. I just happen to have acrylics hanging around. So there's red. Let's take another toilet paper roll that I cut out, made slits, can you see? And this time, let's do some blue. What happens if I go over it in blue? Alright, check that out. Press that down with my fingers too. A little bit more paint. And just go all around the paper. This one is looking very patriotic. Alright, now let's take one more. Say, cut some slits in the circle. And this time let's do green. Just to see what happens. Some green paint. Try to cover all the little arms that you made when you cut the slits in there. A couple more. Alright, that's good. Now let's do some green. Hey, check it out. And like I said, once again, you can press it down with your fingers. Don't be afraid to get messy, because messy is fun. I like this one. And let's mix it up a little bit. We're going to use the same paintbrush, and we're going to finish it up with some yellow. And mix it all up. This is looking pretty cool. Yeah, do some yellow. A little bit more on the little paintbrush that we made with our toilet paper roll. Alright, there you go. There's the finished piece of work. So there's this one, and here's the other one that we made with just the circles. I like it. So that's an example of an art project that you can make with some leftover toilet paper rolls. Quick and easy. Nice. Something fun to do. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you soon.